She started her career as a mortgage and loans officer, and then subsequently worked as a credit manager for several years before her current role. Linda holds a life insurance seat in our chapter, and her areas of expertise are in life insurance, both term and permanent, mortgage guard insurance, critical illness, disability, and group benefits. Linda takes a holistic approach in assisting her clients, beginning with the insurance portfolio review. She strives to help her clients through every stage of their lives, from building up assets, protecting them, distribution, and succession planning. She works with her clients to build a financial blanket of protection around them by using various life insurance products and strategies. Aside from her professional life, Linda currently resides in Port Moody with her husband Phil, and in her free time enjoys spending time with family, traveling, being outdoors, creating and decorating, music, and doing anything that makes her smile. Something you may not know about Linda is that she and her husband enjoy visiting Mexico at least 2 times a year before COVID. This is a tradition that they're looking to bring back now that there seems to be a light at the end of the tunnel. So now, next, let's hear from Linda so that we can send her some referrals.
Thank you, Ishpreet. Always appreciate that. I'm going to share my screen here. I think I am. All right. So I am Linda Meadley. I am a financial advisor with the Cooperators. I have been since 2016. I hold the life insurance seat here today with our chapter. And as always, I like to introduce my team. So we are a full holistic provider of financial and insurance services, and I have the whole team behind me that help me, and we help all of our clients to make sure all their needs are met. The areas that I specialize in are life insurance, critical illness, disability, and I do benefits as well. I can do group benefits for companies as well as single individuals. Today, I want to talk about life insurance. So what is life insurance? Life insurance pays you a tax-free lump sum of money to your named beneficiary in the event of your death. It's supposed to get you to the exact same place you were financially before your loss. It provides for your family when you're no longer there to do so. It provides protection during your most at-risk years. It provides financial means to pay off the debts, replace your income, so your family is able to maintain their same lifestyle that you've provided them. Now, life insurance has 2 main types. There's a term life insurance and permanent life insurance. And term life insurance is in place for a specific length of time. So think of like a car loan. It has a beginning and an end. At the end of that term, if you still need the coverage, you can renew your policy or get a new policy. So then you are looking at rates are being based at your age at that time. So generally it stays level and then goes up. And this continues to happen, and term life insurance will go to the age of 85, and you can no longer get insurance past that date. So permanent insurance is that. It is permanent. It's in place for your entire life, and it will have a guaranteed payout. So it does start out a little bit higher, but in the long run, the payments stay level, and as you age, it actually benefits you. So the earlier you're able to get into it, the better. You lower your rates and you're able to secure those for life. With permanent insurance, you have many different options that are available to you as well. It can, we have increasing death benefits and cash values that build. This gives you a lot of options and opportunities in the future. For example, you can choose to pay for only 20 years and have a policy in place for your entire life. So I ask you, how would that benefit you if you had a policy right now for life insurance that continued to grow every year, but you no longer had to make payments on it? With the permanent options that build up with cash value, you have many options that are available to you. You can increase the value of your policy in the future without medical evidence, which is without medical qualifications, which can be very advantageous if something happens. There are policies that grow with you as your needs grow. You have access to the cash values and cash surrender values. And many people use this as a way to pass generational wealth in a tax efficient manner. And I also work with a lot of business owners to be able to access retained earnings in a very tax efficient manner. There's a lot of strategies and complex strategies that can be put together. Also, we have clients that build up their life insurance, and come retirement, they don't need as much money, and they're able to access that and provide themselves an additional monthly income in retirement. So as you can see, there's many benefits to these policies and options available for you. So why is life insurance needed? There is many significant events that happened in your life. You could be getting graduated, there's getting married, career changes, purchasing a home, growing family, next generation, and inheritance planning. All of these needs can be met and protected with life insurance. Life insurance, why is it needed? Again, through every stage of your life, there's different needs and goals and priorities. And working with a financial advisor that works with you through every stage of your life to make sure that you are protected through all those different stages. So are you covered? So what I do is I have a long-term relationship with my clients, and I work with them to protect what's most important to them. We build a plan that is based on their goals and their needs, and I provide them with a detailed needs analysis. So we look at the big picture, we look at everything, and we're able to analyze. So we want to look at what plans they have in place, if they have life insurance in place, what investments they have, we look at worst case scenario. If you didn't make it home tonight, what would you want that to look like for your family? And what does it look like for them today? We build those plans together and we do regular reviews with them, all based on their goals and priorities and the reports that we provide. We put plans and protection in place and change these and update them as needed. Whoops, going the wrong way. So bottom line is, if every wife knew whatever widow knows, they would have more life insurance. Canadians are greatly underinsured. A lot of people think that it's not going to happen to me. I don't need it. I'll get it later in life. There's many things that happen that could change all of that, and you will never have that opportunity. You need to protect yourself. We have home insurance. We have car insurance. We even buy coverage and warranties for our cell phones. Let's protect ourselves and our family and our financial future. And I would love to speak with anybody and just give them a needs analysis and meet with them and look at their existing coverage. And that's all I have for today. If you have any questions. No questions.
Thank you so much, Linda. Yeah, I was going to say,